Welcome back to Andrea Jean Cleaning and Life Hacks. I got a fun one for you today. This is in one of our older vehicles that is not getting driven very often. You're gonna see this. I'm doing a little shaving cream experiment, but let's go inside. We're gonna take a little experiment here with some slime. Slime is all the rage. My mom recently bought this and she said, you gotta try this in your cleaning video. So that's what we're gonna do today. If we look on the back here, it's dust cleaning gel. Now you may have those little Swiffer things that you use to get all the dust, and this is really dusty, so this is the perfect example. I mean, can you see right in here, all up in there, all that nastiness? We're gonna see how well this works. Now on the back it says here, take out with dry hands, knead a few times, press slightly into the surface you need, and then pull it up slowly. The dust would be carried away. After use, put it back in the jar and store in a cool, dry place. All right, let's just see what we're working with around here. First-hand experience with this. Let me know if you love fun and interesting cleaning products that hopefully make your life easier. If not, oh boy, look at, oh my word, feel that. All up in here. If you're sitting at a stoplight, you're in the car, oh boy, in the car wash. This is the strangest thing ever. Okay, supposed to knead that a few times. It just literally feels like slime. All right, I think we're good. Let's just give this a whirl here. Ooh, we could have some fun with this, couldn't we? Do. All right, let's take some, I mean, can you imagine? Guys, I'm just cleaning my car today. Don't mind me. I think the idea behind this is because you can get, like, apparently in these grooves that you wouldn't normally be able to get into. If you can get over the grossness. Oh, that's looking a little nasty on there. Can you see that? I mean, it's not getting in these vents very well. Certainly is entertaining. Let's get up here. See here on top? This is where it gets real dusty. How about you guys? Oh, you don't want to do that. It's gonna rip it. You gotta stab. I mean, it's definitely getting rid of the dust. What do you think? Let me know. Would you purchase this slime product to clean the dust in your vehicle? Or how else would you use this particular cleaning product right here? Now, I'm impressed for the mere fact that it's something different and I love that, because cleaning can be boring and mundane, and sometimes when you have fun cleaning products such as this, it makes your cleaning a little more entertaining. Oh my gosh, you guys. Can you imagine someone coming in your car and they're like, what is going on in there? All right, YouTube thinks you're going to want to watch this video next. I think you're going to want to watch this video next. Give the video a thumbs up. See you, my friend, in the next one.